In Excel, how do you get from this to this? Let me show you how. So you've got this table of all the addresses, one address per line with commas separating each separate item of the address. So as I said, we select inside the data, make sure it's a table, click on data, from table range, go to Excel Power Query automatically, right click on the column, split column by delimiter, take exactly the default argument, each occurrence of a delimiter, click OK. There we split it. Select all the columns just to remove any trailing and leading spaces and special characters. Transform, format, trim, format, clean, home, close and load to, only create connection, add this data to the data model. Click OK. Let it load, it's loaded there. Go to our data model, Power Pivot, Manage. Choose Flattened Pivot Table. Flattened Pivot Table. New worksheet, click OK. Go find our field list. Choose the table with a little icon there to show it comes from our data model. Create a slicer from the first one, right click, add a slicer, select one address, just go to slicer settings quickly to change the heading, make it choose address. Let's just copy it over to the caption as well. Click OK. So there we have our heading for our slicer. So let's quickly create our addresses. Select the first address. Take out the field headers. Right click in the pivot table options. Don't auto fit column widths on update. Just widen the column so we know we've got enough space. Move the slicer a bit closer so we can see what we're doing. Copy the previous pivot table, Control Copy, Control V to align under it. Choose only active pivot table fields. Choose the next one and delete the previous one. Same process again, Control Copy, Control V. Next one, previous one delete. Same process again, Control Copy, Control V. Click a new line, remove a previous line. And now for the last one, Control Copy, Control V. Same process. There we have all our addresses from this table that was in one line to addresses that are dynamic. As you choose from the drop down here, they change. So you can expand the slicer, draw any address you need. So this is useful in a lot of situations with Excel. If you're creating invoices, you want the address to change per invoice and things like that. So if you like what you see, please click the like button below, hit subscribe to receive future videos, and thank you for watching.